Oh, I'm at Heathrow, Terminal 5, and I've just got some cash, just exchanged some money. I'll give you a shot next time when I'm landing in Shanghai. Bye! I'm going to meet Andrew for the first time. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning, Shanghai time. We're going to go drive 4 hours east of Shanghai, go to stitching factory, and then tomorrow we're actually going to the laminating factory, which I'm very excited about. Okay, here's Andrew. This is my man Andrew.
We need to see the site scene. I mean the outside the factory, how it works and.
Hi, here it's Matt Lewis from Smartbags. I'm very excited and proud to bring to you one of our esteemed factories that Smartbags has part of their network. This is the specialist non-woven stitching factory. I'm going to pass you over to my very trusted colleague Andrew. We've been working together for over 4 years now. A key player in the whole supply chain of Smartbag. So it's all printed flat sheets of, this is a laminated style.
Yeah. And then finally it comes into the whole bag.
Now, we have here a special non-woven RPT hybrid. Smartbags are supplying the Chartered Institute of Environmental Health in Wales, all in anticipation of the levy on the single-use carrier bag being introduced by the Welsh Assembly government next year. The eco-merits are further highlighted, as you can see, by this bag being made of 90% recycled plastic bottles, RPT.
So, as you can see, all the wonderful ladies and gentlemen are working away, and I look forward to showing you some more. Cheers! Now here you see we're in the printing plate factory for silk screen printing for our non-woven bags with Smartbags. So it's a blank fabric, and this gentleman here is screening.
So you will see how it's going.
Yes, yes. And you can see how far we go down there. Quite incredible really, and this is obviously where we can get such a high quality of units done on such a mass quantity basis. Right, here we are at one of Smartbags' laminating factories. Quite a phenomenal process that is required to make the stunning full colour artwork that we do for our eco bags.
So these are the pellets which will be melted and used between the lamination and the non-woven or PP woven material to make them laminated together.
Okay.
Totally eco-friendly. There is no glue between them.
Here we're at another one of Smartbags' non-woven factories. You can see here we've got all the rolls of non-woven material. We've got a great selection of colours to choose from. There's 30 in all, an extensive range of different shades and colours. These are the thinner stripped rolls. This is where Smartbags offer our clients the opportunity to have different handles and piping, different coloured to the actual colour of the bag. All the shapes that are required. We have an efficient automatic cutting machine. Right, I've got an archive of some non-woven bags here that I want to go through with you that really highlight the wonderful printing quality Smartbags can offer our clients. A standard kind of tote bag with 100% silkscreen print coverage, with the handles stitched all the way down to the base in a kind of camouflage styling, which is very effective. And now here we've got some laminated non-woven bags. I'll just place them down here quickly. As you can see here, this is more of a heavy duty style. This is non-woven laminated, but this is in a gloss finish. And as you can see, quite incredible, intricate, full colour artwork you can achieve. If I flip that over, I've actually got it in a matte finish. So you've got the two kind of choices there. If you go to a different kind of style, I mean, look at that. I mean, that's one of our fashion tote bags with really intricate, great, colourful artwork. I mean, it really is beautiful. And to get the kind of photo quality effect, you've got this style. I mean, it's almost like you can eat it. And least but not last, a fine bag to finish with. A lady I think a lot of us will know. Not looking so desperate there, I'd say. Great stuff. So, just to do a recap on what we saw at Smartbags Laminated Factory. We saw the PP sheets going through the rolling machine, containing the completed full colour artwork in either the matte or gloss finish. After that process is done, that material is then bonded to the PP woven or non-woven fabric using those small PP pellets that you saw in the barrel, completely non-toxic. And then after that, that material is then cut to size based on our client's exact bag dimensions, which is then in turn sent on to our stitching factory for the bags to be completed, and then sent on to our clients. It's a truly stunning effect, I'm sure you'll agree. Well, at the end of another long 11-hour journey, I'm back at Heathrow. It's great to be back in England. You don't often miss it when you're away. It's been an amazing journey to China. In the space of 5 days, I feel like I've been away for 5 weeks. I've been to 3 different factories. I've travelled up to 40, 50 hours just in transit to get to everywhere, let alone the air flight journey times. But it's been an amazing experience. I've learned a hell of a lot, and I'd definitely go back there again for work as much as pleasure. I'll see you later. I hope you've enjoyed my little story.